Hello beautiful people, happy Sunday and welcome back to another vlog. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something different. We are actually slowly furnishing the house. And right now, I'm here in my kitchen dining area. That's because finally today, my dining table has arrived and I am incredibly happy about it. Actually, this dining table that I have right now is so sentimental to me. I got this, I don't know, when I first had my first job, and yeah, it did not give up till now. It's still up and running. I know it's very filthy with all of that splashes of like paints and the chair as well. You guys know how bad it was. The leather is not looking good anymore. But yesterday, I was able to find this chair cover. I actually purchased these before and yeah, I decided to put them, but my new dining table has arrived. So it's time for us to let go of this dining table, but I'm actually not gonna like throw this away because obviously we can still make use of this. I am going to give this to my mom, so she is gonna use this in her store. I am gonna be sharing with you guys my new dining table. It is actually over here on this side. Look at that. It actually is really big. You guys cannot see the entire look of it yet. Of course, we have to unpack and box it. It's not in a box. We have to remove these plastics all over it. It's a 4-seater with bench dining table. It's got 4 chairs and a bench as well. So it is going to be about 6 to 7 people that can fit in this dining table. And I love it because it's really big. I know my space is small and I shouldn't have like big items, but as you know, my family will sometimes, dine in here, especially if there is occasion. You guys see on the vlog that like Papa sits down on the couch when we eat and that, because obviously my current dining table is only 4-seaters. So this one will be good so that everyone can, eat together, especially if we have occasions. So yeah, I am very excited to actually unbox this one. So come on, let's go. Let's unbox. Finally, I managed to unwrap all of the chairs and this bench as well. So this is how it looks. Actually, it is super heavy. I am sweating right now because I'm lifting all of these and it's pretty heavy, especially the bench. Like this one, I feel like this is 10 kilograms. And I love it because it is really of good quality. If you guys can see, it is a combination of just like white and the wooden oak color accent, which I super love. This is the type of wood color that I really like, by the way. Yeah, I'm so happy. So these are the 4 chairs. I love them. It looks very nice and aesthetically pleasing. And this bench is included as well. So this is nice. When there's going to be a lot of people, for example, there's 7 people, then I think if they're like petite like me, we can have 3 people here instead of 2. And then we have 4 people that can sit down as well. I'm happy. They're so nice. Okay, so right now we are going to proceed with the table itself. Let me unwrap it first. I was able to unwrap the table and this is how it looks. Ta-da! It actually looks very nice. It is exactly the same wood as the chair that I do have as well, and the bench, of course. They have to match, right? So yeah, it's made of 100% wood. It's not laminated. Actually, this was a second choice. The very first one that I liked was it has the wood accent as well, but that one is a laminated MDF kind of wood or board. And I researched about it, and it's actually not very good long term because, you know, especially when it's a dining table, we have to put like hot soup or hot food, and it's not very friendly when it comes to that. And yeah, I just scratched it out. I had to get a second choice, and I saw this one and I fell in love with it because look at that, it looks so pretty, and it's a combination of wood and white as well, and you know, it goes well with the house since we have white painting. So yeah, this is how it is. And by the way, I ordered this one in SM Seaside, Cebu. I want to give a shout out to Larry Benson again. I used their personal shopper service, and Larry was the one who helped me purchase everything. So aside from this dining table, I also got a few items which I'm going to share with you guys later on. But yeah, since then I have been using their personal shopper service. That's because it's very easy. I don't need to really go to the mall. Yeah, it's very convenient. They're gonna give you a lot of options. Whatever you need, if you want to ask them if they have it, then you can just chat them. Shout out to Larry. Thank you so much for this. I am super happy and satisfied. Alright, so anyway, right now that I have unwrapped the chairs, the bench, and this table as well, it's time for us to arrange it. So let's see where is the best spot where we can put this here in the house. Shall we? Finally, this is my dining table. Ta-da! I would have to say though that this dining table is a bit bigger for the house, like for my kitchen, because look at this, it kind of consumed the space here in the kitchen area. You guys know that there is a bench, right? I don't know if you guys can see it, but we've actually tucked it in here at the bottom. So normally there's not going to be a lot of people here in the house, right? It's only Tom and I. So we have 4 chairs right now, and it's enough for us too. Now these bench, we can just really pull this in like this table, and then someone could sit in here if there's a lot of people. So that's good because we could tuck it in, and yeah, it's nice. It's also space saving because the bench can be tucked in underneath the table. And the reason why I like this table though is because it's big. Now if I'm going to put a table runner in the middle, there's still some space here where you could put your plate and eat. The previous table that I have, I couldn't really do that. If I'm going to put a table runner in the middle and then put all of the food in the middle as well, you don't have much space for you to put your plate. So yeah, I love this one, especially if there's birthday or we have a little celebration here in the province house. Then yeah, we could also have a boodle fight here, so that's good. And for that, I'm going to thank one of my Patreon for this dining table, Michael Dubbin. Thank you so much. He actually gifted this as a housewarming gift. So again, thank you so much. Alright, I'm quite happy with my dining table. So right now, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what are the rest of the stuff that I got from SM Seaside. Let's go. These are the stuff that I got from SM Seaside as well. So we're gonna start with this lovely hamper that I have. So let me open this one first. I think it's got some stuff inside as well. So this one is 1,099 pesos, and when I got all of these, they were on a 3-day sale. So this is how it looks, guys. It's actually really pretty. I love it. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Ta-da! You can store a lot of stuff inside as well. Yeah, all of your laundry. Now, bro also put all of the little knickknacks that I have ordered. So I got this set of 4 placemats as well. So as you know since I do now have this new dining table. Of course, I also need to get some placemats. I have here this chopping board. It was on 20% off, so this is nice. This is a non-slip cutting board and it's from Neoflam with antimicrobial protection. That's how it looks. It's really of good quality. I also got this one. This is a table runner. I am going to try to decorate my dining table later on, guys, okay? We are going to decorate it. So this is actually how it looks. It looks so pretty. I love this. Bro gave me a lot of options for table runners and I love it. Look at this one. This one really fits with the wood accent of the table. So we're gonna try this one later on, okay? So let me roll this one up first and put it over here. I do have here pans. Got this 26 centimeter fry pan, so that's how it looks. I can cook like chicken adobo here if it's just Tom and I here, so this is a good size. It actually comes with a lid as well, so we can put a lid when we're cooking. I also have this really small frying pan as well. It's 20 centimeter and this is for eggs. So yeah, that's how it looks. And aside from those, by the way, I also decided to get a microwave because actually Tom and I, we want to eat food when it's hot. So I decided to get this one. This is from American Home. Let me just open it quickly. Ta-da! Okay, let's open this. I love opening, unboxing stuff. Okay, it has this styrofoam. I might need Tom's help for this one, guys. This is quite heavy, so I cannot unbox this one. Baba, can you help me? I'll just hold here and just like lift it up. I'll hold the box. Is it slippy? Okay. This is my microwave, everybody. I love the color. It's white. You guys know I love white. So yeah, I actually like American Home, the brand, because my toaster is American Home and up until now it's still running. I love the color combination. It's black and white, so that's good. Aside from this, I also got a mop. So this is how the mop looks like. It has like a spinner. Let me open this one first. Oh, ta-da! And where's the stick? Okay, so all you have to do is to attach this stick into this foam and you should be good. It comes with another one as well, so that's good. That is pretty much it for all of this stuff that I got from SMC side. And again, I want to thank Larry Benson Agan, the manager of personal shopper service, for assisting me in getting all of these. Alright guys, so finally this is how my dining table is looking. So I put a table runner here in the middle. That's how it looks, and I put placemats all around it as well. And here I have this fake plants from the previous province house. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys have any suggestions on how should I put this table, let me know again in the comment section as well. Anyway, I do have a lot of plans for the decoration here in the province house. I have received a lot of suggestions from you guys. Thank you all so much. The next project, the next thing that I'm going to do is to basically mount the TV and yeah, arrange everything in here. Also, we have to work on the cabinet here in the countertop and so on, and also the cabinet for the bedroom as well, because until now I still don't have a wardrobe. Anyway guys, slowly but surely we will be able to furnish this house. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys are excited for the house to be furnished, and thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below for any suggestions. Follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Everything is at meljeansolon. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!